Picture this: you're driving down a city street, and heads are turning left and right. People are pointing, whispering, and snapping photos. But you're not in a flashy sports car or a sleek European sedan, you're in the Cadillac Escalade, a vehicle that commands attention like no other. This isn't just an SUV, it's a statement. It's a symbol of success, power, and American ingenuity. If SUVs had a red carpet, the Escalade would be walking it every single day. It's not just a car, it's a lifestyle that says you've arrived, and you've arrived in style. The Cadillac Escalade isn't just a vehicle, it's an icon. Since its debut in 1999, it has redefined what a luxury SUV can be. It's the vehicle of choice for celebrities, athletes, and anyone who wants to make a bold statement on the road. But what makes the Escalade so special? Let's take a closer look, because this isn't just an SUV, it's a masterpiece of design, technology, and performance. First, let's bust some myths, because there are plenty of misconceptions about the Escalade and luxury SUVs in general. Myth number 1: big SUVs can't be luxurious. Wrong. The Escalade is proof that size and luxury can go hand in hand. With its premium materials, advanced technology, and attention to detail, it's as luxurious as any high-end sedan. From the hand-stitched leather seats to the real wood and metal accents, every inch of the Escalade's interior exudes sophistication. Myth number 2: American cars can't compete with European luxury brands. Think again. The Escalade goes toe-to-toe with the best from Mercedes, BMW, and Audi, offering a level of sophistication and performance that's second to none. It's a vehicle that proves American craftsmanship can stand tall on the global stage. And myth number 3: SUVs are gas guzzlers with no regard for the environment. Not the Escalade. With its available 3.0-liter turbo diesel engine and 10-speed automatic transmission, it's more efficient than ever, proving that you can have power and sustainability in one package. It's not just an SUV, it's a statement about what's possible when luxury meets innovation. Now, let's talk about some amazing facts that will make you fall in love with the Escalade even more. Did you know that the Escalade's OLED curved display is one of the most advanced infotainment systems in the world? It spans nearly 38 inches across the dashboard, offering crystal-clear graphics and seamless connectivity. This isn't just a screen, it's a window into the future of automotive technology. And here's another jaw-dropping fact. The Escalade's magnetic ride control system uses sensors to read the road 1,000 times per second, adjusting the suspension in real time for a ride that's as smooth as it is responsive. It's like the SUV has a sixth sense, anticipating every bump and curve before you even feel it. It's not just an SUV, it's a technological marvel. But the Escalade isn't just about technology, it's also about comfort. Step inside, and you'll be greeted by an interior that feels like a first-class lounge. The seats are wrapped in premium leather, the cabin is whisper quiet, and the attention to detail is second to none. From the AKG Studio reference sound system to the massaging front seats, every element is designed to make you feel pampered. The Escalade isn't just a car, it's a sanctuary, a place where you can escape the chaos of the world and focus on what really matters. Think about the last time you needed a vehicle that could do it all. The Escalade is here to answer that call. With its 3 rows of seating, it can comfortably accommodate up to 7 passengers, making it perfect for family road trips or chauffeuring clients in style. And with 121 cubic feet of cargo space, it's ready for anything, whether you're hauling luggage, sports gear, or even furniture. It's not just an SUV, it's a multitasking marvel. Need to tow a boat for a weekend getaway? The Escalade can handle that too, with a towing capacity of up to 8,300 pounds. It's a vehicle that's as versatile as it is luxurious. Now, let's talk about performance, because the Escalade isn't just about looking good, it's about delivering a driving experience that's as powerful as it is refined. The Escalade is powered by a 6.2-liter V8 engine that produces 420 horsepower and 460 pound-feet of torque, giving it the muscle to tackle any challenge. Whether you're cruising down the highway or navigating city streets, the Escalade delivers a ride that's as smooth as it is confident. And with available 4-wheel drive and air ride adaptive suspension, it's ready for any road, or lack thereof. It's not just an SUV, it's a powerhouse. But what really sets the Escalade apart is its presence. This is a vehicle that doesn't just turn heads, it commands respect. With its bold, angular design, signature vertical LED headlights, and massive grille, the Escalade is impossible to ignore. It's a vehicle that says you've arrived, and you've arrived in style. The Escalade isn't just a car, it's a statement that says you value luxury, performance, and American craftsmanship. So, what does the Cadillac Escalade mean for you? It's a reminder that you don't have to compromise. You can have luxury and performance, space and sophistication, power and elegance. It's a call to embrace a lifestyle that's as bold and ambitious as you are. It's a vehicle that doesn't just take you places, it takes you on a journey. Whether you're driving through the city, heading out on a family vacation, or making a grand entrance at an event, the Escalade is the ultimate companion. But before you hit the road, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. By subscribing, you'll join a community of car enthusiasts who appreciate the art of engineering, the thrill of innovation, and the beauty of iconic design. Stay tuned for more deep dives into the world's most legendary vehicles, and be the first to know about the latest advancements in automotive technology. The road ahead is full of possibilities, don't miss out. The Cadillac Escalade isn't just an SUV, it's a statement. A statement that says you value luxury, performance, and American craftsmanship. It's a vehicle that doesn't just take you from point A to point B, it elevates the journey itself. So, are you ready to experience the ultimate in luxury and performance? Because the Escalade isn't just a car, it's a lifestyle. Subscribe now, and let's explore the road ahead, together.